Want to use Tawk.to for free? Tawk.to offers a free plan that includes live chat, ticketing, a knowledge base, CRM features, and support for unlimited agents without requiring a paid subscription. Optional add-ons are available, but the core platform remains free. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Tawk.to for free step-by-step in 2026. Let's get started. First, visit the official Tawk.to website and sign in with your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one for free and complete the email verification process before continuing. Next, create a new property for your website or select an existing one. Enter your website details if you're creating a new property, then continue to the dashboard. Now copy the chat widget installation code provided by Tawk.to and add it to your website before the closing body tag. Or use one of the available platform integrations if your website builder supports it. Open the widget settings to customize the appearance, greeting messages, operating hours, notifications, and other preferences. These options help you match the chat widget to your website and business. Finally, publish your website and monitor incoming conversations from the Tawk.to dashboard. You can respond to visitors, manage tickets, view chat history, and invite additional team members without paying for the core platform. If you ever need extra capabilities like AI assist or branding removal, those are available as optional add-ons. And that's how to use Tawk.to for free. With the free plan, you can add live chat to your website, communicate with visitors, and manage customer conversations without paying for the platform's core features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.